All right, guys, here we have a brake pedal off a 2005 Softail. We're going to replace this. We're not going to use this, but for you guys out there that have this rust corrosion problem on some of your parts, we're going to show you how to remove this and make this look a lot better than what it looks like now. First step is obviously to get it removed. Makes it easier to work with. Then what you want to do is get your steel wool pad. Make sure it's a grade 4.0s, okay? Anything different than that might blemish your chrome or scratch it. So you always want to make sure it's grade 0000, 4 zeros. And then we're gonna go ahead and start rubbing this out, and then we'll show you what else to do right after that. Okay guys, so we are back, and very little effort here. I didn't really spend too much time on this just because we are going to be replacing this, but I am doing this as a informative video for you guys. But as you can see, you know, this would be step one. We got rid of probably, I would say, 98% of the chrome or the rust. Next step is going to be, we're going to hit it with some mothers, polish, and I will show you what that looks like. I should have had this ready to go, but I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and grab that for you. We're gonna go ahead and use this stuff right here. Aluminum polish by Mothers. Okay, just a little bit goes a long way. We're gonna go ahead and rub it. You can use the same wool pad if you want to use that. You know, just a little bit of a dab in the areas that you're gonna be really concentrating on. And then you're just gonna polish it out with, you know, you can use a microfiber towel, or you can use that same steel wool to do your thing. We're gonna hit this up a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you the after, okay? Okay guys, so we are done here, and this is your end product. You know, I hope this kind of stuff helps. You know, there's no secrets here, dude. Just passing on some information that, you know, we've learned throughout the years of working on these things. You know, like I said, we're gonna replace it just because the owner of the bike wants to spend some good money and make sure he's got good quality, clean parts, brand new parts. But for you guys out there that are looking to restore your bike and, you know, not have to go out there and spend a bunch of money on parts, we can help you, you know, restore your stuff for very little money, man. Give me a call or a text or message us if you have any questions, or if you like the videos, man. We'll keep doing this shit for you guys.